I have no family that cares about me. I have medical issues.
All right.
Can I have the funeral home as my beneficiary?
You certainly can. I've never done it for a client before, but you could. Tell me, what are you thinking of, Homer, that you're really grateful to them, or you're just trying to cover your funeral expenses, or what?
Well, number one, I'm just grateful to this funeral home. They've been friends of mine for many years.
Good. I like that. Homer, when you talk about leaving money to the funeral home, are you talking about some individuals there or the business itself?
The business itself. So therefore, when something happens and I go, there's no questions. Like I say, my family don't care nothing about.
Are they a one-shop funeral home, or are they a chain of funeral homes?
No, they're one shop. Okay. Unity Memorial Funeral Home out of Apopka, Florida, on 44 West Michael Glass Boulevard.
I'm glad you're doing it. Now, Homer, when I do a will for you, I typically do a package of 4 documents. I do the will itself. I do a living will declaration where you ask that you not be kept alive by machines. I do a health care surrogate. So if you're not able to, you're appointing somebody to decide what doctors, what hospitals, what medications. And then a financial power of attorney where you're appointing somebody to pay your bills and manage your affairs for you. So you figured out who you want to get your wealth when you pass away, but next thing you need to figure out is who would make health care decisions for you and who would manage your financial affairs for you if you're not able to.